Right, I made myself a sanctified bracelet. I'm going to make it adjustable, Mad Max style. And at the end, I thought I would finish it off with a nice, easy barrel knot to finish off. And then I changed my mind and thought, why not do a pull tab? So that's what we're going to do. Right, I've got myself about 3 feet of microcord, as you can see. I found the halfway point, and what we're going to do is put it behind these 2 center cords and do a cobra weave. So I'm going to get the left hand cord of this microcord, bring it over the top. The right hand cord goes over the top, behind everything, out through the other side, put it together. Try not to get these 2 middle cords twisted, like that. And cinch it up to the end of the bracelet, like that. Okay, and do exactly the same. Right, so I did about 8 of these, and now all I'm going to do, flip the whole thing over, the cord came out of this side here, so I'm just going to carry on all the way back down to here. Right, so I got to the bottom. All I'm going to do now, snip and singe the sides of this cobra weave here, snip and singe the ends, and we're done. So there you go, that is a pull tab closure for an adjustable bracelet. Now I think this is going to be my favourite finishing knot for an adjustable bracelet for a Mad Max, because look, you can just tuck it underneath, out the way. Now YouTube would like you to watch that video there. I would like you to watch this playlist up there. Keep yourself safe everyone, wash your hands, and I shall see you on the next one. Bye.